What's good, my wonderful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna try to make a live trading video and we'll see how everything was gonna end up. So basically right now, what do we see here? I'm basically already in the trade, but let me just make a quick. So we kind of took this high. Right now we managed to come down, took this low. Right now we very nicely make kind of a double bottom and break this structure, and we go into this fair value gap, which is basically, how is it called, the ICT traders. They start getting into the trades right now for the short. Me personally, obviously I'm getting buys. Where I'm gonna get buys, I'm gonna target this high. It looks like very beautiful, kind of nice small pullback. So to me, and plus it took this high. So right now I'm assuming that the price action will gonna come here and start taking this high. Yeah, something like that. So I already in the trade, I enter right here. Let me just see something like that. And I took 1-to-1 risk to reward, 1-to-2 risk to reward, something like that. We are already in the trade. So why I'm waiting right now, because right now if you think we kind of came here and we did reject, and right now we're kind of making our way back up and we took this high. Most likely the price action still will gonna target this high to me, but we will see how everything was gonna end up. The only thing why I'm suggest you to do is just to stay and wait for the updates. And stay tuned and I will keep you guys posted, because for now we kind of not running in profit, but we are kind of on the break-even stage. So I do really hope that we're gonna manage to get a winning trade today. So we will see. Stay tuned, guys. We are kind of like floating a little bit in profit, so we will see how everything was gonna end up. It looks kind of the way how I thought is gonna happen, the way how I thought is gonna develop. The only thing what is left to be is just to hit our TP. I'm never saying like, you know, it must happen or 100% will be the take profit. The only thing what I'm expecting is to be, here am I gonna reject. Here am I gonna reject a little bit, you know, because it's you see, it's rejecting. The reason why, because here is 0.05, so that's like round number. So most likely the price action right now will reject a little bit, but hey, it is what it is. There's nothing what I can do about it. That's trading, and the only thing what we can expect is just the trade to play out. So that's kind of, let's see. The only thing is just to set and forget. It's not by Alex G, but it's by me, by way too mil. So yeah, yeah guys, I really would like to see that this price action will gonna hit my TP, because I had 2 losers before, how you could see, and I'm still sitting at 95 to 50. So I really need some profits to make it up back what I lost, and maybe to get like some sort of winning streak to get out of this drawdown. But you know, this, I don't know, man, this trading is not easy how everybody explains it on internet. Everybody wants to be like very smooth, very calm, and to be everything nice and winning, but unfortunately that's not the case. The only thing what we can do is just to watch for our setup, place, to manage the position, and just to, you know, to make sure like we did everything properly and let the market to do his thing, because otherwise we won't make it by ourselves. So yeah, let's see how this price action will work, because we are about at a 1-to-1. So here is more or less, it's less than 2 RR, but it is what it is. There's nothing what I can do about it. But obviously, by the time that you're still waiting for the result, make sure you're gonna hit the like button so more of you traders can see how the actual trading works, because you can show post trades every single time, but you can't fake the real trades and how you're managing the position while you are in the trade. So that's the most important thing. You see, me personally, yeah, I took this trade, it's going up, and I'm saying if the price action will gonna get here, I'm gonna enter a trade. Then if it gets here, I'm gonna come back, hit my stop loss, I'm gonna re-enter the trade, put my stop loss beneath here. I'm telling you before stuff happening, I'm explaining the trade, how am I gonna do and how am I gonna react, where I'm gonna take profits, when I'm gonna take loss. But when it's post trade, yeah, it's easy because the price action already developed and me as a trader, if I know it's a winning trade, I can perfectly explain and show you, yeah, I enter here, the price action went there, I move my stop loss to break even, and I hit my TP. It's easy to show like that, but try to do how I do, yeah. Try to create a video like on the trade itself. That's the most hard thing, because then you have to show all the losses. Even that, I don't need to show you guys the losses. If I making a video, yeah, and I'm seeing it's a losing trade, I could literally don't post it and just keep it for myself and move on for the next one. Once it's gonna be a winning trade, then I can make a video and post it on YouTube. But I'm not doing this kind of stuff. I do really like to be transparent and to be real with you guys, because at the end of the day, people who's watching me, they want to know the reality, not the fakeness and how good I am at trading. And to show you only winning trades and all this stuff, I'd rather show you guys the losing trades, and maybe you could grab some information on how to manage a trade. Maybe you're seeing something which I don't see it, by just showing you, because you see, for example, you getting like some profits, then the price action comes back to the drawdown, then again goes, maybe sometime it goes straight to the profit, sometime the price action just start ranging here, and you know, all those stuff is just, it's not that easy, you know. But people, I never saw like on internet like people who really holds like the trades and tell everybody before stuff happening, like how he gonna manage that trade. So, but I doing only to record my journey. Maybe in the future, yeah, when I'm gonna be funded or making some crazy moves, and we're gonna make a little bit more money and all that good stuff, then I'm gonna look back now and I will see like all the trades that I've been taking. And even now, yeah, sometimes I do watching my videos and checking like what I could do better, what I could do, you know, what I could avoid and all this good stuff. So yeah, it's not that much. Like you see right now it's pulling back very hardly, but the reason why it's pulling back is very predictable, because I told you here is like round number is 1.05000. Literally, look at this. And plus how is it called, the New York session started, and plus in 30 minutes it's gonna be a news. So the probability, sorry about this odds, the probability that this price action will gonna move down and hit my stop loss and then move up and hit my TP is very big. It's actually very big, but we don't know until the price it develops, because at the end of the day, guys, everything is 50-50 in trading. So let's see how this price action will develop, and I will keep you guys posted. I don't want to take too long out of your time. Just small update, guys. Right now we came back very beautifully, pulled back to our zone, and right now we kind of start moving up, but who knows, guys, who knows. I do really hope, because the only thing war right now is matters is hoping that the price action will develop on my way and is gonna hit the TP. If not, then it is what it is. I'm gonna reopen anyway. I'm gonna reopen my position right here because I'm risking $500 a day, so I give in 2 tries. If it won't happen, then it is what it is, and I'm gonna move forward. Stay tuned, guys. The price action literally just a minute ago is been in news, and kind of the price action pushing up, so we will see how everything will develop. I do really expecting the price action to come here and to take this high. That would be very, very beautiful, but we'll see. Stay tuned, guys. I want to show you the reality of trading. You see, I was almost at the TP, I mean a couple of pips away, and the price action just eventually just decided to come back and into my break-even place. So I don't know, guys. I'm still waiting to see how it's gonna end up, but man, it is what it is. There's nothing more we can do about it. Let's just see how this price action will develop. Stay tuned, guys. I really tried to record that, but I didn't manage because literally right now they took me by TP, so we're good. 485, so it's not that bad. What can I say, guys? This was a beautiful, wonderful trade, and we kind of had ups and downs in this trade. The way how you see, we had profit, then break even, then profit, then drawdown, and straight to the profit. You see how this price action beautifully works. The only thing what we can do, guys, is just set and forget. If you did like this video, guys, feel free to like, comment if you do have any questions, and see you on my next one. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.